In this video, we're going to show you how to fit the LED upgrade rear lights into an Amarok. This set is full LED with dynamic indicators. We will also show you how to convert these rear lights from left-hand drive to right-hand drive. This is basically the process of switching the fog and the reverse lights to the opposite lights to suit. These rear lights are really easy to replace, so the first thing you need to do is drop down the tailgate. At this stage of the installation, only remove the passenger side rear light. Now, if you look on the inner side of the rear lights, you will see two torque screws. These just simply need removing. Once these two screws have been removed, if you push the rear light outwards away from the vehicle, the rear light should simply unhook from the locating pins on the body of the vehicle. Once the light is removed, simply unplug the loom from the light unit. Now all we need to do is reverse the process we have just done. So let's plug in the new rear light unit, locate it into place and reinstall the two torque screws. These rear lights come programmed left-hand drive from factory. So for us in the UK, we need to convert these to right-hand drive. So that is basically enabling the fog light to be illuminated on the right and the reverse to be illuminated on the left. So what we need to do is follow this process. First of all, we only install the left-hand rear light, and then once this is programmed, we can then do the right-hand side. So it's really important that you do one light at a time, starting with the left-hand side. So now we have the left-hand side rear light installed, we need to follow this procedure. So turn your ignition onto number 2. This is with all the dash lights lit up, but the engine not running at this moment in time. So you then press the brake pedal and keep the brake pedal held down throughout the process. So keeping the brake pedal pressed within a 4-second period. You now need to switch on and off 5 times with the dip beam switch. Keeping your foot held on the brake, you now need to put the vehicle in reverse. Now you need to turn the headlight switch on and off once. The final step is to put your hazard lights on for 4 seconds to save this program. Now the left-hand rear light should be programmed, so you now need to reinstall the original one back in the vehicle. Now install the right-hand tail light. Turn the ignition onto number 2 and press the brake pedal, keeping the brake pedal held down throughout this process. Switch the headlights to dip beam on and off 5 times, again within a 4-second period. Turn the headlights onto dip beam and then pull out the fog light switch. Now turn the headlights off completely and put the hazards on for 4 seconds to save this program. Now the tail lights should be programmed for right-hand drive. So now you can reinstall the left-hand side back in the vehicle.